It's a short case. So we start with diagnosis first. His mic is not working.
Hello. Good morning, sir. I am presenting case of swelling, neoplastic swelling over the right knee joint region, most probably due to giant cell tumor.
Giant cell tumor.
जी sir, neoplastic swelling with most probably due to giant cell tumor with pathological fracture, with visual shortening and shortening and wasting, with pathological fracture with no distal neurological deficits.
So what are the points in favor of your diagnosis of giant cell tumor?
Sir, this is classical age of presentation and the site of involvement. That is site of involvement and the age of presentation, and there is swelling before pain, and there is slow progressive in the growing. Progressively slow growing.
Progressive, slow growing.
Slow growing and age of presentation.
Age of presentation.
The involvement, site of involvement, and there is swelling before pain.
Now what is the onset like?
Gradually onset, sir.
Gradual onset.
Yes, sir.
And what was the first symptom he had?
Sir, patient first complained of swelling.
Swelling.
Ji sir, and
Which was painful or not?
initially it was not painful. After some time it was painful.
And then what
And,
happened? How it progressed?
Sir, pain progressive in nature, and patient taking after taking sir, during walking and movement, and pain subside while taking medication on rest. Swelling, sir, is a progressive in nature, sir.
Why are you called neoplastic?
Uh,
Are you consider pain in your history?
Ji sir.
In neoplastic swellings, there is a pain. Which kind of neoplastic?
It might be, sir, due to pathological fracture की वजह से pain.
Pathological fracture. Then why are you ask about neoplastic?
जी sir.
Pathological pain due to pathological fracture or neoplastic swelling or any other kind of swelling like infection or anything else. Points in favor of your diagnosis.
Sir,
Stuck to your diagnosis only.
It's sir, age of the patient, and there is a slow growing over tongue, times are swelling.
How many duration the swelling
Sir,
is
4 years,
proceed?
sir. Patient complained of 4 year back, sir, starting of swelling. 4 year back and
4 year.
Ji sir. Duration of progression, sir.
Now you said that pain can be because of fracture.
Ji.
So fracture is there for 4 years?
No,
or
sir,
fracture has happened now?
Sir, fracture 6 month की history है, sir.
हाँ?
Fracture is 6 month history. Pain की sir 3.5 year की है, sir.
Pain is 3.5 years.
जी, sir.
And
Swelling, sir, 4 year.
4 years. So you mean to say there is a pathological fracture for 3.5 years?
No, sir. Pathological fracture 6 months.
So, so the pain is because of swelling.
Swelling, sir.
है ना? So how you say pathological? Why you say pathological fracture now?
Sir,
Why
this
you are
might be
saying
due
there
to,
is
sir,
a
shortening, sir.
No, why you are saying there is a pathological fracture?
Any history of incidental trauma or anything else?
Sir, initially patient.
Any history of fall in the course of disease? 4 years.
Initially,
In,
sir, patient
you,
walked.
you said there is a pain since 6 months.
जी, नहीं, pain, sir, 3.5 years, sir.
Pain from 3.5 years.
जी, sir.
And since 6 months?
Patients have difficulty in walking, sir. Unable to use right lower limb, sir.
Never to
Difficulty.
use.
Difficulty to using right lower limb, sir.
Okay, you describe the swelling. What are the heads in which you describe a swelling?
Sir, site of involvement and the size of the swelling.
Describe करो. इस swelling को describe करो.
Swelling, sir, on inspection, there is a swelling over the right knee joint line, swelling over the right knee region, and spherical in shape, and is ill-defined margin.
Yes, go on.
And on inspection there is skin overlying swellings are show scar mark, rounded scar mark over the right anteromedial aspect, and there are visible venous prominences over the right knee region, and there is scar mark over the anterior side, and there is no visible pulsation, and there is no surgical incision mark. And then skin over the swellings are show venous prominences, venous involvement.
Any other inspectory finding?
Right side sir, knee in the flexion attitude sir.
And any other?
Sir scar mark sir, anteromedial aspect पे sir.
Along with swelling, there is a deformity.
Deformity sir, flexion.
What is the deformity?
Knee joint sir, there is flexion deformity over the right knee joint.
What's about tibia?
What do you mean with deformity? Which deformity is there?
Sir, flexion deformity.
Huh?
Flexion and
Is it only flexion?
flexion and
Any student want to say yes? What type of what deformity you think it is?
Tibia.
Triple deformity.
Triple.
What is that triple deformity? What is it?
Tibia.
Here. And flexion. So, do you agree or not?
जी sir. Posterior subluxation of tibia and flexion and external rotation.
There is a subluxation.
जी sir.
So, why if subluxation has occurred if it is a giant cell tumor?
there is also a triple deformity in this patient.
Sir,
Flexion, posterior subluxation and external rotation of the tibia. All the three components along with swelling.
sir.
Why this correlate with this? Any justification?
Sir, due to extent of the disease, knee joint involvement की वजह से.
Doctor, you have said your diagnosis is a giant cell tumor.
जी.
What is the type of lesion? Giant cell tumor is which type of lesion?
Sir, it is a benign, locally aggressive.
Locally aggressive. Do you think in 4 years' time it will remain this size only? Hmm? 4 years' time कितना भी स्लो ग्रोइंग हो कुछ तो बढ़ेगा साइज. स्वेलिंग कैसी है इसमें? फील किया आपने?
Sir, firm to hard in consistency.
फर्म टू हार्ड कंसिस्टेंसी है.
Surface is
हैं?
irregular.
और
Surface is irregular and skin overlying the swelling is not fixed and swelling is fixed to the bone. And
fixed to the bone. Swelling is in the bone or swelling is fixed to the bone?
Sir, in the bone.
Huh?
How are
In
you
the-
differentiate this swelling originate from the bone or soft tissue or from skin? How are you differentiate?
Sir, swelling is a moving in direction में sir, anteroposterior and move in any plane sir. तो सर बोनी है सर, और अगर मस्कुलर होगी या सबक्यूटेनियस प्लेन में होगी तो सर वो मूव करेगी सर, मूविंग पे सर.
You have not been able to convince me about its being a giant cell tumor. Why you are calling a giant cell tumor? Again, I am coming back to that question, basic.
From history, from examination, what are
Anything, all
the points
things.
in favor of your tumor, like giant cell tumor? Points in favor from history, age group, age group.
Age group sir 23-year-old male.
What is the age group of GCT?
Sir 20 to 40 year okay, around.
Okay, 23. 1 point in favor from history.
Sir, site of involvement sir.
Site of involvement. Second point is in your from site. Points in favor. Distal femur.
Third sir, slow growing.
Slow growing.
Over long.
Benign lesion or aggressive.
जी sir,
Okay.
benign.
Third
Is
point.
it really grown? That is the question. Have you measured the width of the femur on this side and this side? Both
सर
sides?
वेस्टिंग है इस राइट साइड में सर.
वेस्टिंग है.
जी.
तो वेस्टिंग की वजह से आपको प्रोमिनेंट लग रहा है. एक ये सिचुएशन हो सकती है. दूसरी है कि बोन में रियली स्वेलिंग है अब आप बताइए।
सर ड्यू टू कंपेयर टू अपोजिट साइड सर।
हाँ, कंपेयर करो। तो कंपेयर किसको करोगे? स्वेलिंग, वेस्टिंग को कंपेयर नहीं करना है, खाली बोन को कंपेयर करना है। इज इट swollen? It
जी
looks swollen too
सर,
much.
कंपेयर टू द लेफ्ट साइड दिस इज स्वेलिंग।
अच्छा, और इस डिफॉर्मिटी को देख के, इसको देख के कोई और डिफरेंशियल डायग्नोसिस आप सोचते हो?
किसमें मिलता है ये डिफॉर्मिटी मोस्ट
सर
कॉमन?
सर ट्यूबरकुलोसिस ऑफ नी में सर।
So why it is not tuberculosis?
सर
Why it is not tuberculosis of the knee joint?
patient there is no history of sir soft tissue swelling or sir there is no history of मतलब swelling in other part of the body sir.
Yeah, so, no history of swelling in the body.
Sir like lymph node
Lymph node. You, how many cases of bone and joint tuberculosis you get lymph nodes in other parts of the body?
or
Osteoarticular tuberculosis is very different from other tuberculosis. You
Sir,
may not get any history of weight loss. You may get sometime, but not always. The history of weight loss, cachexia or evening rise of temperature are not definite symptoms of bone and joint tuberculosis. They may be present, they may not be present. समझे? दूसरे पार्ट में लिम्फ नोड होना कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है।
नी का लिम्फ नोड कहाँ पे ड्रेन करता है?
जी
नी
सर।
का लिम्फ नोड कहाँ ड्रेन करेगा? नी में पैथोलॉजी है, ट्यूबरकुलोसिस या इन्फेक्टिव, तो कहाँ ड्रेन करेगा इसका लिम्फेटिक?
popliteal lymph node sir।
पॉप्लिटियल, नी का पॉप्लिटियल में?
और
बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चन है, एमबीबीएस लेवल का ये। नी में पैथोलॉजी है, सेप्टिक आर्थराइटिस है या ट्यूबरकुलोसिस है या कुछ भी एक्यूट, तो कहाँ का लिम्फ नोड आपका इलाज होगा?
सर
हाँ,
इंग्वाइनल रीजन का सर।
इन्ग्वाइनल रीजन में होगा।
इंग्वाइनल रीजन में कहिए, अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी से क्या मतलब?
ठीक
इंग्वाइनल
है,
रीजन में देखा आपने लिम्फ नोड?
जी सर।
है? नहीं है?
नो सर।
नहीं है, वो भी कोई जरूरी नहीं होता।
नॉर्मल साइड से
What
कंपेयर
about the movements of the knee joint?
सर देयर इज ए फ्लेक्शन रेंज ऑफ मूवमेंट्स एट 30 to 120 डिग्री सर।
30 to 120.
जी सर। रेंज ऑफ
Demonstrate.
बेटा एग्जामिन करने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है सर। फ्रॉम दिस एक्सटेंशन, फर्दर एक्सटेंशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल, एंड फ्रॉम दिस द फर्दर मूवमेंट पॉसिबल अप टू दिस।
Okay.
नाउ इट इज रेस्ट्रिक्टेड सर।
So movement is
Movement is
restricted.
restricted.
Now what about the pathological fracture you were saying? Where is the pathological fracture? Pathological fracture must show a abnormal mobility.
जी
If there is a fracture, there should be abnormal mobility. Is there any?
सर। नो
So why you are saying, why you have said in diagnosis pathological fracture?
सर ड्यू टू रेडियोलॉजी की सर।
Hmm?
रेडियोलॉजी में देख।
Radiology.
जी
You have seen the X-rays.
नहीं सर।
Huh?
Where are you?
You already seen the X-rays, and that is why you are diagnosing it,
That's why you are wrongly diagnosed.
and that is why everything is wrong.
Okay. Never ever seen any investigation like X-ray, MRI. Never ever.
With this
Either-
patient,
Either from you. Or
I will
from the
not
same
diagnose a
institute.
giant cell tumor. I will diagnose tuberculosis, the knee joint.
You are only stuck with your history and examination finding and make a differential 1, 2, 3. Then go for the investigation. Then confirm diagnosis with the history, examination and investigation. You are going from retrograde with the investigation, then make a diagnosis. That's why wrong. Your findings not correlate with your history and examination. Most of PGs nowadays doing this thing. My teachers taught me, never ever seen MRI, X-ray or any other pathological investigation until and unless you make a differential in your mind. This is lesson to all PGs sitting here. I am right, sir, or wrong? My all teachers taught me this thing. Never ever seen any investigation, even pathology, blood investigation. History examination, from history examination first make a diagnosis, differential diagnosis. Then do investigation, either X-ray, MRI or blood investigation. Then finalize your diagnosis. This is the right way of making a diagnosis. Otherwise you make a wrong diagnosis. 50 to 60, 70% MRI reports are wrong nowadays. Every senior orthopedician knows this. 50 to 60% MRI reports are wrong nowadays.
With the digital X-ray, even X-ray reports are, I have got 3 cases where radiologically we diagnosed the tumor. There was a well-defined lytic area, sclerosed margin, benign tumor. MRI done, absolutely normal. Absolutely normal. And we ask the radiology people and they say, वो थोड़ा सा voltage कम ज़्यादा हो गया, ये हो गया, उसमें हो जाता है. So investigate. First you have to clinically examine and make a diagnosis. Simple. I think 4 years history you are giving such a chronic thing with a triple deformity, and you diagnose a pathological fracture and a giant cell tumor.
Patient profile, general look.
But
Very simple case this is. If you are not seen your X-ray, then very simply you make a diagnosis. Lean and thin
Patient,
patient, wasting 4-year history. I have not seen this X-ray of this patient. You make a diagnosis first and second, and differentials. Very simple case.
Achha, suppose we agree to your diagnosis of giant cell tumor. Why? How you explain this posterior subluxation? We agree that it is giant cell tumor. How you explain the posterior subluxation?
I have not seen any case like this deformity with GCT. Sir, are you seeing?
In any case, why a posterior subluxation will occur? Just tell.
due to knee joint involvement, sir, and
Knee joint, in what way involvement? In what way? Involvement in what way?
sir, effusion in joint or
पोस्टियर सबक्लेसिस यहाँ नी क्यों होता है भाई? Anybody? Huh? When we do this test, huh? What is this suggestive of?
sagging, sir.
What is this test which I did just now? This is indication of a posterior supination due to a PCL injury. The PCL is damaged. So posterior cruciate ligament damage, then only posterior subluxation of this nature will occur, which may be traumatic or pathological. In tuberculosis and rheumatoid also you get posterior subluxation, which is because of a
The PCL.
damage to the ligaments because of synovial disease. Because all the ligaments are engulfed in surrounded by synovium, and when synovial disease is there, the ligaments do get destroyed. That happens in tuberculosis, that happens in rheumatoid arthritis also. But that will not happen in giant cell tumor, because giant cell tumor is not a synovial disease, it is disease in the bone. And articular cartilage is present, is not damaged till a very late stage, where you may get a pathological fracture. So on clinical examination, your diagnosis is not correct.
So now, from history and examination, what is your differential diagnosis at least?
Tuberculosis and
In short case is a clear-cut diagnosis. If you got a short case in your exam, then make a clear-cut diagnosis. And this is my patient, and so, and this is my diagnosis. So what is your diagnosis now, from your history and examination findings?
some from history, sir. Tuberculosis.
देखिए जो भी हिस्ट्री आपने बताई है
जी sir.
उसमें कोई भी साइन कोई भी पॉइंट जीसीटी के अगेंस्ट नहीं, ट्यूबरकुलोसिस के अगेंस्ट नहीं था. क्रॉनिक हिस्ट्री है, लॉन्ग टाइम है, पेशेंट नहीं चल पा रहा, पेन हो रहा है, सब चीज़ ट्यूबरकुलोसिस में भी होती है.
उसका लीन वो प्रोफाइल, पेशेंट प्रोफाइल भी देखो, लीन एंड थिन है, वेस्टिंग है. डिफरेंशियल पहला ट्यूबरकुलोसिस जाना चाहिए.
चलो टाइम हो गया.
मेरे हिसाब से तो आपका पहला डिफरेंशियल, सेकंड आप रख सकते हो.
टाइम हो गया क्या? टाइम हो गया. ओके ओके, जस्ट शो द एक्सरे.
रेडियोलॉजिकल फाइंडिंग्स, एक्सरे नहीं देखने हैं कभी पहले.
For the case, so because we have lots of cases, so we are
No,
just
it's okay.
focusing.
Okay, fine.
कहाँ इस पे आ रहा है ना?
So you can see, because he has seen this X-ray, he was only directing to that. When you are examining a case, you have to keep your mind open. Examine with all the clinical findings, all the first the history and the signs also. What is fitting into this? And what you did not tell was an angulation in the femur. पैथोलॉजिकल फ्रैक्चर आप कह रहे थे, पैथोलॉजिकल फ्रैक्चर में एब्नॉर्मलिटी तो है नहीं,
नहीं सर,
पैथोलॉजिकल फ्रैक्चर कैसे कह रहे थे?
डिफॉर्मिटी अगर कोई हो,
हैं?
कोई एंगुलर डिफॉर्मिटी।
एंगुलर डिफॉर्मिटी है ना, तो ये तो नहीं बोला आपने, डिफॉर्मिटी उसमें है, लेकिन क्लिनिकल डायग्नोसिस इसको देख के फर्स्ट डायग्नोसिस तो GCT नहीं बना।
This is malunited pathological fracture. Okay.
जी सर,
And at this stage, there is no pain due to fracture. The radiology says so. There is no pain due to fracture at this stage.
क्लियर डायग्नोसिस आप एक्सरे देख के ही बना सकते हो, and that gives you out.
नहीं देखना है पहले, ठीक है? एज ए पीजी स्टूडेंट पहले पेशेंट एग्जामिन करें आप, फिर हिस्ट्री एग्जामिनेशन, देन गो फॉर इन्वेस्टिगेशन। ओके।
जी सर,
एक्सरे तो 1 घंटे 2 घंटे बाद आता है ना सरकारी, हमारा भी आपका भी, ऐसा तो है नहीं कि फट से आ जाएगा, पहले देखोगे पेशेंट फिर एक्सरे लिखोगे।
पेशेंट बाहर से करा के लाया तो बात
हाँ, वो बात अलग है, ठीक है, लेकिन आपके दिमाग में चीज़ें क्लिक, एटलीस्ट थर्ड ईयर पीजी को दिमाग में क्लिक होना चाहिए कि ये चीज़ें हो सकती हैं। फिर आप एक्सरे देखो, अगर वो चीज़ सही जा रही है कि ये चीज़ है, टीबी है या जीसीटी है, तो आप राइट डायरेक्शन में अपना टीचिंग तुम्हारा हो रहा है और तुम सही डायरेक्शन में पढ़ रहे हो।
नेक्स्ट पेशेंट
चलो ठीक है सर, थैंक
Prepare
यू
for
सर।
the next case.
उठ जाओ।
Dr. Prayan.
इधर जाओ।
Come for the
Walker-
next case. Dr. Namkung.
Dr. Shobha, please come.
एग्रेसिव भी रहेगा, जो ये दिखा रहा है ना, एग्रेसिव टाइप होगा, जीसीटी भी होगा तो एग्रेसिव होगा।